This beautiful orchid has an equally beautiful and lovely aroma that comes with it. This orchid is also commonly known as Lady of the Night due to its citrusy and gardenia rose-like fragrance when evening arrives. We bring you fragrance oils of this amazing orchid. To further heighten this scent, we have picked these therapeutic orchids to be included in this fragrance composition. They are therapeutically effective in providing soothing benefits and holistic healing. In order to add more complexity and warmth to Fresh 4, we have added marjoram and ginseng. Marjoram is an aromatic herb classified in the mint family. It carries a scent that is mildly minty, woody herbal, with just a hint of spice. This ingredient provides a refreshing boost to the scent while adding more depth and layers to it. Marjoram oil can aid in clearing sinuses and stuffy nose, reducing pain and soothing muscle aches, among many other benefits. Ginseng is an unusual ingredient in most perfumes. It adds warmth to the fragrance with its earthy and woody aroma and provides many health benefits to our bodies. Ginseng has been gaining popularity, especially in luxury skincare. It is loaded with antioxidants and is great for anti-aging prevention.